Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to set up your Facebook account so you have to review tags before it appears publicly. So if people are posting pictures or videos of you and they're tagging you in them, if you want to review them before it goes live or it's posted to your timeline, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the Facebook app on iOS or Android and select your profile icon at the top right. Go down and select Settings and Privacy. And then underneath Menu, select the Settings button. Scroll down underneath Audience and Visibility and select where it says Profile and Tagging. Underneath Reviewing, review tags people add to your posts before your tags appear on Facebook. If someone who's not your friends adds a tag to your post, you'll still be asked to review it. Remember, when you approve a tag, the person tagged and their friends may be able to see your post. You go ahead and toggle that on or off. And then also, even more pertinent to this tutorial is the last option here, to review posts you're tagged in before the post appears on your profile. This only controls what's allowed on your profile. Posts you're tagged in still appear in search, newsfeed, and other places on Facebook. Toggle that on or off depending on your preference, and that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.